Peeling, whitening, and pore tightening mask recipe. If your skin is dull and feels heavy and your skin cannot breathe due to the volume of dead skin, this video is for you. Sometimes we look in front of the mirror, but there is no glow and freshness on our face. A withered face. If you want to always shine and have new and pink skin, you should use this method that I am talking about to regenerate your skin, natural rejuvenation, and without any harm or damage to the skin. We only need one main ingredient that is found in nature, the flowers of a male pomegranate tree that does not bear pomegranate fruit. If you do not have access to a male pomegranate tree, dried marigolds are sold everywhere. Put about 10 of the flowers in a grinder and grind them into powder. Of course, I must say that marigolds have countless other healing properties, which I will write in the caption and description of the video. If you have been with me so far in the video, by subscribing to the channel and liking the video, you, my dear audience, will make me and you happy. You inspire me to provide more useful content. Ring the bell to get the latest news of the day. This mask is made with 3 ingredients: marigold powder, yogurt, and sugar. The combination of these materials together is a miracle for rejuvenating and rebuilding the skin. We need 1 teaspoon of marigold powder along with a tablespoon of yogurt. Preferably use full-fat and natural yogurt. I will briefly explain the benefits of yogurt for the skin: moisturizing the skin, brightening the skin, increasing skin firmness, protection against UV rays, increasing skin elasticity, preventing wrinkles, has anti-acne properties, has anti-inflammatory properties. The 3rd ingredient we add is 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix and stir thoroughly. If you have dry skin, you can add a vitamin E capsule. If you have normal or oily skin, there is no need. We choose full-fat and natural yogurt that complements the needs of the skin. The properties of marigold are not just for the skin. Getting to know this flower and its unique properties is very important for a healthier life. Nature is a healer. Please listen to this explanation and don't leave the video. Maybe one of the biggest conflicts in your life will be solved. Just before that, if you haven't become a member of the Healthy Lifestyle channel yet, subscribe now so you don't miss out on the latest health content. One of the most important properties of Persian marigold is its anti-inflammatory properties. This plant helps reduce pain and swelling in joints and muscles by inhibiting inflammatory enzymes. Also, Persian marigold, due to its strong antioxidants, protects the body cells from free radical damage and prevents diseases such as cancer. Just take a tablespoon of dried marigold powder or 10 dried marigold flowers and let it brew on indirect heat for 20 minutes with a glass of water. You can drink marigold extract and tea with a little honey. It doesn't end there. Marigold also has treatments for these issues, treating diarrhea and digestive problems. One of the main uses of marigold is treating diarrhea, especially in children and people with weak stomachs. This plant, with its astringent properties, helps control bowel movements and improves stomach weakness and poor digestive system function. Stopping bleeding, internal and external, as a cold and dry herb, Persian marigold is used to treat various types of bleeding, including bleeding hemorrhoids, nosebleeds, heavy or irregular menstrual bleeding, superficial wounds and cuts. Internal bleeding, with specialist prescription. This plant helps stop bleeding faster by causing contraction in tissues and capillaries. Oral and dental health. Another significant benefit of marigold is strengthening teeth and gums. Using mouthwash or chewing its dried flowers can help prevent loose teeth and gum recession. It is also useful for treating mouth ulcers, redness, and gum ulcers. Eliminates bad body and mouth odor. Marigold has strong antibacterial properties, and for this reason, it is known to be effective in eliminating bad breath and unpleasant armpit odor with topical use or use in bathing. Treatment of freckles, itching, and skin problems. Topical application of decoction or powder of marigold in the form of a mask can help reduce freckles, skin itching, superficial inflammation, and chronic acne. One of the most important properties of this plant is its ability to reduce bleeding, which is especially popular and useful among women during menstruation. Using marigold helps to relieve and reduce menstrual bleeding and is often recommended as a natural and low-complication treatment. due to the astringent properties of marigold in areas where this plant is consumed topically or orally. It causes tightness and shrinkage of tissues. This astringent property makes marigold very effective in treating and resolving problems such as abnormal and excessive vaginal discharge, reducing excessive sweating and the unpleasant odor caused by it, as well as eliminating cracked nipples. Therefore, Persian rose is a natural and safe option for resolving problems caused by increased secretions and localized sagging in sensitive areas of the body, and can help improve the quality of life and increase the feeling of comfort. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support the channel by subscribing and sharing it with your friends. By liking the video, you will greatly help the channel's visibility.